The problem is find the current in all the resistors by using the mesh current method. So in this problem you have to find the currents in all the resistors. So you have to find the current here, you have to find the current here, and you have to find the current here. So in this circuit the total 3 resistors are there, and you have to find the current through all the resistors by using the mesh current method. Now in this circuit diagram there are two meshes. So here this is mesh 1, this is mesh 1, and this is mesh 2. So two meshes are there, and you have to assume the mesh current. So in the mesh 1 the mesh current is, you say this is I1, and in the mesh 2 you say the mesh current is I2, that is flowing. Now in the mesh 1 we have to move like this. So this is the loop direction, this is the loop direction, and we are moving like this, and in the same loop direction the mesh current is moving. So the mesh current is clockwise, the mesh current is moving like this. This is the direction of the mesh current, and this is also the direction of the loop. Now here through the mesh 2, in the mesh 2 the direction of the loop, the direction of the mesh is like this, and the current direction is also same like this, which is I2. Now in the mesh 1, the I1 is clockwise. So the direction of in the mesh 1, the I1 is clockwise, it is moving clockwise, and the loop is also moving clockwise. The direction of the loop is clockwise. So both the directions are clockwise. So now we have to apply the KVL rule in the mesh 1. So in the mesh 1 we are applying the KVL rule. So now this mesh direction, it will come here, and this is the direction of the 25 volt source. So this loop direction and this voltage source direction, they are same. So it will come 25 plus 25. Now this loop is coming here, the loop will come here, and the loop will come here, and this is the direction of I1, and this is the direction of the loop. So they are going in the same direction. So here it will come -6, and this is I1. Now the main thing here, when the loop direction is here, when the loop direction is this one, near the 4 ohm, and in the 4 ohm, now if you see in the 4 ohm, the current passing in the 4 ohm is, this is I1 minus I2. So so this is a rule, like I am applying the KVL rule in the mesh 1. So the mesh, this is a mesh current, so this current will come first and I2 will come second. And this I1, this is the direction of the I1 is moving like this. So this I1 is moving like this way. So this is the direction of the loop, and the current is moving like this clockwise. So that's why here minus sign will come. So this is minus and 4, and this is I1 minus I2, and this is equal to 0. So from the last slide I got the equation. After solving, this is 10I1 minus 4I2 is equal to 25. So this is equation number 1. So now we have to apply the KVL to the mesh 2. So we will move to the mesh 2, and in the mesh 2 we are applying the KVL rule, and the direction of the mesh current is like this. This is I2, and the same direction is the direction of the mesh. The mesh is the mesh, or you can say the loop. So here we will say the mesh. So the mesh direction or the loop direction, this is this is the this is the mesh direction or the loop direction, and this is also the direction of the current I2. Now if I start from here, so this is the direction of the voltage source is downside, so both are same, so it is plus 15. And when this mesh direction or the loop direction, it will come here, so when it will come here, when it will come here, so the direction of the I2 is moving. This is the I2, so this I2 is moving like this. So this is I2 direction, so the I2 is moving like this. Now, so if this loop is coming here near the 4 ohm, so this is the direction of the loop, and this is the direction of the I2 basically. So now if I erase this one, so here when this loop is coming here, so in this mesh 2, the mesh current is I2, and the direction of the mesh current is this, near the 4 ohm. So you see this direction and you see this direction, so they are same, so that's why here minus sign will come. And from the 4 ohm, the current passing from the 4 ohm is, if I am using the KVL in mesh 2, so the mesh 2 current will come first. So here this I2 minus this I1, it will come like this. So in this loop here it will come 4, and in the bracket this is I2 minus I1, and this loop direction will come here, and this is the direction of the I2. This is the direction of the I2 in the mesh 2. So this is the direction of the mesh or the loop, and this is the direction of the current, so they are same. So it means it is minus and it is 3I2. So the equation will be like this, and this is equation number 2. Now these are the two simultaneous equations, and if you solve this equation, so it will come like this. After solving, it is minus 4I1 plus 7I2 equal to, this is here it is 45, not 15, it is 45. So here it will come, sorry, so it will come 45, and this is equation number 2 here. Now if I solve the equation number 1 and the equation number 2, so the answer will be, for the I1, the answer will be I1, it is 6.5 ampere, and the answer for I2 is, this is 10.18 ampere. So this current, this I1, this current is passing through 6 ohm, and this current is passing through 3 ohm, and from the 4 ohm, the difference is passing. From the 4 ohm, the difference between two, so it is 10 minus 18 minus 6.5. So this will be approximately 6 3.68 ampere. So this is the answer. The first answer is coming here, and the second answer is coming here, and this is the third answer. Thanks for the watching.